Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night with your legs cramping so badly it brings tears to your eyes? Or maybe you get out of bed in the morning and your legs feel so weak, like they just don't want to carry you anymore. If that sounds familiar, let me tell you something important. That pain, that tightness, that weakness, it's not just aging. It's your body trying to tell you something. It's saying, please help me. I'm running low on what I need to stay strong. And today, I want to show you exactly what your legs are missing. 3 powerful vitamins that can stop those cramps, restore your leg strength, and help you walk with confidence again. So don't just watch this video, feel it. This could be the turning point your body's been waiting for. Before we dive in, if you're ready to take control of your health and regain your strength, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you know someone struggling with leg cramps or weakness, share this video with them, because everyone deserves to feel strong and steady. Now, let's get started. 1. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. First up is vitamin B12. Think of it as the protective coating around the electrical wires in your body, your nerves. When you're young, this coating is thick and strong, sending messages quickly from your brain to your muscles. But as you age, your body absorbs less B12, and that coating wears thin. Without enough B12, your nerves get worn out, the signals slow down, and your muscles start to lose strength. That's why you might feel shaky or unsteady when you stand or walk. Many seniors don't get enough B12 because their stomachs produce less acid as they age, making it harder to absorb this vitamin even if they eat well. Adding foods like boiled eggs, chicken, or plain yogurt can boost your B12 levels. If you don't eat meat, yogurt is a great option. Just a small daily serving can make a big difference. 2. Vitamin D, the strength builder. Next is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. It plays a key role in keeping your bones and muscles strong. When you were younger, spending time outside helped your skin make plenty of vitamin D. But as we age, our skin doesn't produce it as well, and many seniors spend less time outdoors. Low vitamin D levels don't just lead to weaker bones, but also to weaker muscles, increasing your risk of cramps and falls. That's why spending 10 to 15 minutes every morning soaking up soft sunlight can help your body make the vitamin D it needs. Also, include foods rich in vitamin D, like salmon, sardines, or fortified milk in your diet a few times a week. If fish isn't your thing, fortified plant-based milk works too. 3. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. Last but not least is magnesium, the quiet hero that keeps your muscles working smoothly. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax properly. When you don't get enough, it can cause those painful nighttime cramps that wake you up suddenly. Instead of rushing to expensive supplements, try simple foods like a handful of pumpkin seeds, almonds, or leafy greens such as spinach. Even eating half a banana before bed can help reduce cramping. Remember, timing matters too. Eat protein like eggs or chicken in the morning or early afternoon, and magnesium-rich foods later in the day for the best results. If any of this sounds familiar, those cramps, that weak feeling, the fear of falling, please comment below. Share which symptom you face the most or what small step you're ready to take first. I read every comment because no one should face this journey alone. Quick recap: the 3 vitamins you need. Vitamin B12 to protect your nerves. Vitamin D to strengthen your bones and muscles. Magnesium to keep your muscles relaxed and cramp-free. Remember, it's not about taking expensive pills or making drastic changes. It's the small, steady steps repeated every day that bring real strength back to your legs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And hit that notification bell so you never miss tips that can help you live stronger and healthier. You're never too old to start healing. Your legs are waiting for you to give them what they need. Thank you for watching, and here's to stronger, steadier steps ahead.